Sir, have they announced to you that your attorney advocate has left us? Did they announce you got to Mr. Mngomezulu? What's she? Hello? Who's winning? Is all. Okay, yeah. We all are very, very sorry about the latest turn of events. Yeah? Manje, we can't continue until you decide what should happen to your defense. I won't influence you, can't tell you what to do, but you have a right either to defend yourself or to appoint another defense counsel.
So it was a shocking development, the passing of defense lawyer Thulani Mngomezulu, that overshadowed court proceedings late last year, just before court recess. So Mngomezulu had been ill for some time and had stopped attending the trial in person. The court then allowed that he follow proceedings online. He was due to cross-examine lead investigator Brigadier Bongani Kininda when he passed away. So just before recess, there had been consultations with legal aid, which we understand indicated that Sibiya must now choose a new lawyer from the defense lawyers currently in this matter. So Sibiya had indicated that he would consider having one of those lawyers representing him. So this is what the defense told the court then.
So Legal Aid South Africa indicates that they would dearly appreciate it if it were to be one of the counsels that have already been involved in the matter here, that would simply obviate a lot of things, time for preparation and all those things, my lord. What is, however, still missing, it's the identity of that individual. So what we are looking at, my lord, is because Mr. Ramsipili is here, Mr. Mngomezulu is here, I'm here, and Advocate Msholole as well. I think amongst ourselves, we are saying we also need time to go and consider certain issues before each one of us can raise their hand.
So it is during this special sitting that Sibiya is likely to indicate who he prefers to represent him. So at least one legal analyst says if Sibiya chooses one of the other defense lawyers, there cannot be a conflict of interest.
In this instance, it makes sense for him to brief one of the other attorneys who's already on record for one of the other accused, given that they would be familiar with everything that has thus far been placed on record and all the evidence that has been led thus far, and that would hopefully not cause any further delays in the matter. The further difficulty with that is, of course, that there can be no conflict of interest. So if his version differs from the accused person whose legal representative he decides to appoint, then that could obviously pose some difficulties. An example of this could be where he could place blame on one of the other accused, or one of the other accused places blame on him. That would obviously necessitate a different attorney being briefed, because he would not be able to have the same attorney representing him in that instance. So one would have to now wait and see what he indicates to the court on Wednesday in this special sitting, and whether the court is satisfied that the attorney who he briefs is not conflicted, and that it would not cause any further delays in the matter.
Chris Alder Lewis, SABC News in Johannesburg.